Oh my, oh my goodness, I am alive. I am alive. Oh, whoops, wrong tab. Wrong tab. Hello. Oh, you. Go back there. You go here. You go. That's the wrong. Hello. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Just a second. And then you go here. And then I go here. I go here. And then I get another one. And then we put it here. And then we put it there. Will that work? Let's just adjust this. Yeah, that'll work, I think. Yeah, I am sick right now, as you can see by my voice. Yeah, it's not good. But hey, I'm still alive, and it's not a bad thing, it's just temporary. And I did post about my, so, here we go. Oops, forgot about it. There we go. So, yeah. Yes, wrong one. This one. So I can adjust it better. There we go. So yeah, I'm currently sick right now. It's a bad timing since I just got a hold of the laptop again. That's great. It's been a while since I've streamed like right. I think it's been a few a few months as well, like 2 months. Last time I streamed was in April, if I was correct. It was in April, or I think June. So yeah, problems, insomnia and stuff, and my family thought that if I avoided using my laptop, my insomnia would be cured. Fresh news, it wasn't cured. So, but yeah, they still hid the laptop from me, which is the cause of me not updating as much. But MiLa has been significantly worked upon on, and I'll show you after just a second. I'm just gonna go grab a drink. So yeah, let me just a second. And I am back. I don't expect any of my viewers to return yet because it's been a few months. Ooh, there's no downloads, right? Yeah, it's just very bad, I guess. 0. Oh my goodness! But we are streaming. The bitrate is still good though. So yeah, I don't expect any of my viewers to return soon. But I will wait for like at least 5 minutes or 4, and then I'll resume my usual programming. So yeah. Okay, okay. Never mind. My voice is still wrecked. Yeah. So, oh my goodness, it's wrecked. Yeah. It's nothing. Yeah. Put it there. I don't expect any of my viewers to return soon. So let's start. So yeah, you can see I updated it. There's interrupts now. Yeah, and I guess I'll use Neovium more. There is a test. There's a CSV parser. Whoops. Is there like the 1 megabyte thing? Nope. There's a rule 10 now. Rule 10 at MiLa, reads H at MiLa, and yes, I can run it. There's a new release target, I mean install target in the make file. So yeah, if I just, there we go. Yeah, I don't think it's working correctly here, but okay. It should be working properly. It's just, yeah, this. It's a new built-in, but sadly it's not working. But yeah, and I did update the Sublime text file now, so you can use the bat utility. And you're probably gonna wonder about how can I install these syntax files. Well, you can just get out of the example files. You can go here into the syntax directory. So if you go there, the syntax directory, you'll see that there's two folders, Sublime and Vim. So for Vim, it both installs for NeoVim and Vim. So if you do that, yeah, as you can see, it's already there. So now just go back and cd to Sublime, and you'll see that there's two, bat install and Sublime install. Sublime install, of course, installs for Sublime text, and bat, well, installs it for bat. So if you can actually see, yeah, it also refreshes the bat by doing bat cache build, doing this. So once you've done that, you can use bat to basically just, yeah, do that. There's still some, yeah, this just still doesn't work well. And if I'm actually correct, wait, how can I help CMD set FT MiLa? So yeah, MiLa, never mind. There's nothing at all. What else? Script CMD. Excuse me. If modes on batch shadow. That's weird. Doesn't, is it supposed to be like Lua? I think there was like if I have to do that, is it new vim.config and vim in the cat4? Was it yeah, cmd? Okay, sure. Yes, I have to do that. Vim.cmd set file type is equal to MiLa. Weird. So it's not that. So is it like this? No, it does not work at all. Set file type MiLa. Now it works. So yeah, if you put like this and numbers in it, doesn't detect it as an identifier. It still highlights the stuff inside. So yeah, it's weird. So I'll showcase you new features in MiLa, such as weak references. So you can basically go var a is equal to a dictionary. So like ooh, why is it so laggy? Weird. B is equal to none for now, and then here we can go var b is equal to a is equal to weakref of a, and then we can go here and set a, b is equal to A. Oh, sorry, B. So what happens is B should be freed first. I mean A should be freed first, because if this is freed first, the weak I think the weak ref gets leaked. Forgot. Well, actually, let me just, because I may be wrong. I may have fixed it. Well, we'll see. So we're running the REPL right now. Oh, Jesus. So now we're just gonna go here. Whoops. So we're gonna go here and B is, let's just do that. And var B is equal to that, associative array is equal to that, A var set A B is equal to B. Holy crap, it does segfault. Weird. No, it works. I think I have it wrong, because I do have like examples cycle. It worked. So let's see. So A, yeah, and then we said B. Okay, so we forget A first, and then we forget B. Weird. So it did print this, so it did not double free. That's weird. That is weird. It's very weird, because it should have worked, but it did not. It did not, and I don't know why. Okay, getting shivers. Why am I getting shivers? So yeah. Oops. Weird, because if I do the same thing now in here, in the, can I do? No, I forgot I didn't add Control L stuff. Is there even? There was someone watching. There was someone watching, and then he blooped out of existence. So, well, when have I stopped streaming? When no one saw me, I did not stop. That's how I got. Oh, hello! I got sidetracked here for a second. It's my own programming language. So, welcome to the stream. I'm sorry if I sound off. I'm sick right now, and this isn't my normal voice. So yeah, I apologize if you can't like understand me clearly. So yeah, I apologize deeply if you cannot understand me. So I have a programming language, so it currently works. Wow. And I'm showcasing the features, and sadly one of the features does not work anymore. I tested this and I don't know why it did not work. Maybe I did something off. I'll check after after this. So yeah, we have B. Yeah, okay, that was weird. We have A, set A, E is equal to B. It's segfaults. Why? Yeah, let me just debug this for a second. So if we go run MiLa, what the hell, MiLa example cycles, it should not, yeah, it did not trigger it. It did not trigger anything, but it did trigger something when I tried it here, which is weird. So yeah, this is my own programming language because I was bored. B, A, and then set A, B is equal to B, and then it segfaults and it catches it. I need to disable that. Let's see. So AI is not the best yet. Let me just a fun called AI is not a replacement, it's a tool. And even if it is, if if in the future, if AI becomes just as good as humans, it's still not better than us. It's still worth learning, because you can't just blindly um, trust any output. Learning C just basically or any programming language just gives you the ability to check the code, because if you were just to blindly accept the code, you might get tricked by the AI, which has happened multiple times in the past. Like Fable escaping its testing environment, and the current I forgot what model it was, but it was a recent ChatGPT model. It escaped its testing environment. So yeah, unless you want that to happen, you need to learn programming. So even if it's hard to motivate yourself because of AI, it's not entirely useless. I mean, computers can do math, and yet we still learn math from the basics to calculus and stuff. So the argument of like, why should we program? AI is here, is like saying we shouldn't think because machines can think for us, which is just dumb. Um, why would you not think, even if something can think? It's not like it's not entirely wrong to think that way either, because it does AI does make our lives easier, but it's not there to make it like what's the what oh whoa wait, I got those sidetracked there. But yeah, AI is a tool, not a replacement. Anytime soon it won't happen. Probably in the next decade or so, not in a few years. And if AI even gets better in the next decade, the AI is filled with AI slop nowadays, that AI will find it hard to locate like uh test cases in the internet, and at some point engineers will have to hand feed it like code, instead of just fetching code from the internet, because it's filled of with a bunch of AI slop. So well, and in any case, learning programming is still a positive outcome. Still gives a positive outcome. Pardon my bad grammar right now. I appreciate your understanding, uh, your comprehension. There we go. Even though my voice is not normal. So, anyways, let's go back and try here. Um, it's the signal hunters. I have to get rid of them for a second. Or I could put them. Where was it again? Well, I could just. There we go. Found it. I can just go here. Fine. No signal. Um, go. There we go. Which is weird. Oh, what? No, it's different environment. It's weird. Do that. Uh-huh. Oh, whoops, that should be A. Boom. Var. Oh, a set A. So I am not gonna lie. This code base has some AI code in it. It still catches it. What the hell? Is there an error? No, there's no errors. It's weird. It's not catching the... No. It's because I did not set the... Whoops. That's stupid of me. E flags. HTML no signal. Boom. So that should allow us to do the same thing. So instead of that, I'm just gonna do a one-liner here. Fun fact, semicolons in my programming language is completely optional. It's weird to see like this, but that's valid syntax in my programming language. and it's null. It's there. Gotcha. Oh, oh, son of a gun. I see. It's in the REPL. It's not a problem with the interpreter. It's a problem with the REPL. It's where we changed, where we check the semicolon. Wait, let me. Yeah. Huh. What? Weird. There we go. Where do we check the yes, increase the font size here. So we check the last thing if it's there is a colon. If it is colon, we do this. So we don't check if it's weird. This should not be here, isn't it? Shouldn't it? So let me just fix this. That should not be here at all. Should be a separate thing. So yeah, if go, whoops, oop, pop, hello, I am literally put it there, fine. And then, whoops, wrong. Keep forgetting. NeoVim, not a GUI. You don't do shift and arrow keys to select blocks. Okay, so you do. Yeah, there we go. Visual. And then wrong again. Wrong again. It's Control R, isn't it? Oh, Control U. No, I did some. Okay, there we go. So we just do that. V shift. There we go. I remembered. Hell yeah. So now we can do that. Yep. Let me just fetch. Where is it? Where is it? So we fetch this. And it's even more worse. It's in 1890 print error. That's whoops. What the hell? Wrong one. 1890. There we go. It's because of this. It's in main again. If we go here in main, we call it in here because I forgot to remove it. Scheiße. This. Forgot to remove that. So if we just do that, I should disable most parts. But there you go. Now it should work. I am using, was it this one? I am using Arch. I don't want Arch. I don't brag that I use Arch. Anyway, I think I do have it in the where is it? It's in the description, I think. Yeah, there it is. But I don't what was it? I don't really recommend Arch. It's not a good distro if you're just gonna use it normally. It's a good distro if you're experimenting with it all the time. So anyways, finally, good. But we need to fix that. Why is it null? Oh, memory leak. Hooray. Minimal log primary evil source. It's in 5.2.4. It's the why did it not get freed? Weird. No, I use it too, but yeah. So if you don't really use Arch for experimenting, it's not really useful. If you just daily drive it, it's a mistake of mine. this is actually my second installation of Arch on this laptop because I accidentally wiped it trying to fix an audio driver because I mistyped. Oh wait, yeah, I mistyped because it was like sudo nano. It was the kernel parameters. I forgot where it was, but it was yeah, it's the kernel parameters. I was using nano, and because I use Vim all the time, even though I was in nano, I accidentally pressed I. So it was like was it like initfs? Was it initfs? Initramfs or something? It was like at ext4, and I was gonna add about the new setting like blah 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 is equal to this blah 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 blah, and because of muscle memory, I accidentally typed I here before adding the rest of this. So when I restarted my laptop, my laptop ended up thinking that the disk, yeah, is in ext4i instead of ext4. And because it's the disk as well, when the kernel panicked and like booted into into a rescue shell, it can't even load the kernel modules because it cannot get it from the initfs. So, and then I fixed it by trying to mount the drive anyway. I did not notice the error when I was trying to unlink the mount, and when I I unmounted, not unlinked. I unmounted it. I did not see the error, and what happened is when I did rm-rf on the mounted device, it wasn't just a folder. It was my entire disk. I panicked when the command took too long. Anyways, yeah. Anyways, we're we're sidetracking here. Um, ooh, it's crunchy. So, anyways, where was I? MiLa, let's see. Oh, I did not check the lines. Damn it. So yeah, it was idiotic of me. That, and then we have whoa. It's in 5.4. It's like very idiotic of me. I did try to like recover the disk using like a tool, but I ended up overwriting the disk. Yeah. So after I like recovered the disk, I accidentally overwrote the disk. So what happened is I ended up wiping the disk fully anyway. So I had to reinstall Arch Linux on my laptop and made myself suffer again. So anyways, this we DA append WRFs to we copy. So this should have worked. Weird. You only from strong ref. I think this should. I think this. No. That's correct. We don't assume that this is allocated. Method rest table. Refs. We append. So we append into WRefs. Works. We've seen it work. But weird because it doesn't work. When we free the original, it doesn't work. Why? Why doesn't it work? It also returns null somewhere, which is weird. Was it in set? Oh, oops, not control F. Set. Label statement. Oh, here it is. This is where we return that. Let's check on what could. Oh yeah, okay, so we are substring. Okay. Check for returns here on this branch. Return ret results ret return ret. What was the value again? Was v. So we're looking for return v somewhere. That is nowhere near. Oh wait. here, but that's in. I guess. Oh, whoops. Stupid me. There we go. I guess we do that. Um, if it's rotated or not, otherwise we do it all. So now, if we rebuild it, ooh, why is it in? Where is that? What? Why is that there? It's in 6948. Nice number. 6948. Why? Did I? Why is that there? Anyways, there we go. That was something. Still no. By the way, the meaning of this notation is it's a C null, so it's not a MiLa null because that's, yeah, it doesn't even print if it's null. That's C null. We don't even have C nulls. Well, or that's an invalid expression. What did I just change? Whoops. Ooh. Well, it's one object. It's this. This doesn't get free. Well, why doesn't that get free? Weird. What if I... It still gets weird. So what happens is... Wait. MiLa. It's the pointer itself that doesn't get freed. Oh, chatto matte. Was it in 5224? So here, it's because we don't really. That's the only problem, though. We can't really do that, can we? We do turn that into. Oops. Wait, what is it like? Backwards switch. Damn you. Backwards switch. Yeah. Oh, wrong. Val release. There we go. So in here, Gentoo. I don't really know about Gentoo that much. What I do, the major Linux issues that I know is Ubuntu, Debian, and Arch. I have tried Ubuntu before, but back then I was in a virtual machine and was still using Windows at the time. So I don't really know if that counts as an actual experience, because I don't really count using VMs as an actual experience, really, because it's not on real hardware. Although I don't hate on people who use VMs. It's if they really don't want to install it on real metal, it's okay. So the problem is we don't free the. Oh, wait, we don't free it. There it is. Wait. Oh, we free the refs. We don't free the weak reference. So the type is none. Becomes null. We don't free this because that's that. WR type is null now. Yeah, method table. Oh wait, was it like what? What's weird? I don't know what to click on. What was it again? A split? There we go. So this is MiLa type names. Whoops. No. Hello. Welcome to the stream. Where is that? I know I assigned it here somewhere. What the hell? No. There it is. So what is this? MiLa type name. That's what exactly I've been looking for. Names. T-non. So this will be a constant, and the linker, the compiler doesn't need to statically save a string. No, embed a string. So now we have a meta table null, one stable 0, of course. How long did I learn vMotion? I don't I don't use the HL, J, and K. Although I can use them, it's not pleasant for me to do. Although I can like jump down and up, I know how to use the numbers and stuff, but I often use the arrow keys. I use the arrow keys and of course the function keys, which aren't available in Vim, but they are available in NeoVim. So yeah, there's that. Anyways, that unstable is 0. This is null, duh. But the problem is it doesn't accept the. I don't know why. Oh, how? How can I do that? Wait. No, that doesn't work. Okay. That's not what. I guess. So to answer your question clearly, probably took me like a week. I know it's a common meme that, oh no, I don't, how can you like exit Vim? Well, to be fair, the first time you enter Vim, you have this. First time you run Vim. I doubt that this was here though back then. But yeah, I had Google, so it's not really that much of a deal, and especially this command. And I literally just tried moving the arrow keys around. I'm pressing the arrow keys, and then there, I found out that I can move the cursor. And then I figured out that you can do this. Excuse me. So yeah, so we just yeah, so just a second, just a second. Where's the which one was it again? I forgot. Yeah, just a second. if um if you're referring to my window manager, I mean Yeah, it's Sway. Compositor is well, Wayland. It's a Wayland based compositor. Think I can see it if I can I see it here? No, I don't. Oh, wait, forgot where to. Oh, there it is. Yeah, there. Wayland capacitor and window manager is Sway. So, yeah. Anyways, back to work, I guess. Huh? So how can I fix that? It's in what the hell? These values. There. So weird. Oh yeah. Speaking of weird stuff, the really big sample doesn't work, and oops, really big sample doesn't work anymore. Which is sad. It yeah. It's a heap buffer for what? It ranged to HR. Oh oh. It's in 418. Where is it in 418? MiLa primitives. ML primitives. Let's see. 418. Index is null. I think we don't allocate the right amount of memory. I think it's no. Weird. It's a rangeland. We compute the number of steps, and then we allocate exactly that amount of memory. And then, oh, this is an old. We can just use the new iteration thing. This is fast, I guess, theoretically, because it's just one array, but the literal others other way is much more better, because we do have, was it v-split? Yeah, vertical split, ml allow no, primitives as well. In here I know there's like an ll not you, this, oh, not wrong move, there we go. This was the ll, no, list, what, I know there's one here, iter, iter, list stir, list new, list index, set, get, list, list free, list names, list nice. Oh, I see. It was what was it? Was it generate? I forgot. God damn it. Uh oh, wait, was it this one? Repper. There it is. So arrays. We can iterate arrays using this. There's like a state. You can get the state here. Wait, oops. This array state. So it's a step-based iterator rather than like a generator. I guess it's kind of generator. So yeah, you can have your own state here. Enter next, and then clean up. There's the state. Where's the struct? The struct is way up here. Oops. What? Array states. Array. Oops. Yeah, where is that? Oh, ether state. That's... Oh, it's in built-in, damn it. ML built-ins. Array ether state. Oh, it opens the right. Why does that? Nope. Weird. Well, anyways, let's try to do that for the range. So we have range len, range ether. So stir free. So now here we go. Value star. Range. No highlights. Range ether init. I need help with the where's the array again? Oh, it's literally just here. Then array, get array, set array, free array, and then it's down. Oh, it's way down there. Oh, what? It's not what? Where is it? Oh, there it is. So value star self. So that's where we get self. So we okay. So oh, whoops. This is us. So now we just get that. So instead of having to return, wait, what? We return the ether. Okay, so okay, gotcha. We return the iterator, right? Yeah, we return the state. Okay. So this is just void. So this is a generic void. Gotcha. So range state. Yes. So here we can go type def struct range state. Then in here we can just go unit 30 size t. Just go size t. Size t start and stat. Basically that's it. We just start and end stat. Current. Oh yeah, current. That's it. Oh, we use long. What? Since we... Then this should return long. Oh, there. It's just above us. I did not notice the line numbers at all. So, what? That's weird. Okay, so we have current. So, that's it. All we need... Oh my goodness. All we need to do... God damn it. All we need to do is do that. Wait a second. Yeah, we can just do that, huh? How did I not think of that? Well, anyways. So now we have range states. So now here we go range states. Start states. Equal to range state star malloc silo range state. Oh wait, I have to go. I just noticed the time. Wait, how long have I been? Oh, almost an hour. Actually, no, it's fine. So anyways, state state start is equal to self we need to go here. We go range start data is equal to self get opaque. Range start. So now we go here, state start is equal to data start. Wait, why are we allocating memory when we can just return them? But we don't store the current. We don't have the current. Okay, so that's why we have that. I almost had this dumb stuff and stuff and step there you go. So okay, so when we return none, that's null, not none. That's when it let me just refresh that. That's when it stops. So C null is a stop. Oh, range state. So we have that. I keep forgetting that this is the format that I should follow. So we have that. So basically, self current is equal to plus. So what we basically do is we go start sorry start plus step times self current if result is greater than or equal to self and return null. Otherwise we increment that and return results. Oh, not just anything. We go turn a v int. So now here we go value star range iter free. Hell yeah, we got object-oriented programming in C. So we have that. So now we need to close this, and now we have to update the built-ins. And in the register built-ins, and in yeah, change that. In range method. So instead of this, you go val set method table. Yep, range meta new method iter init. Okay, step it. Oh, it's for both windows. Why? Why? Um, so we are, am I even still connected? Yeah. Yeah, so just step it. Young paste. Oh, what? That's the wrong line. There you go. That's. I guess that works. Step eater. Step eater. Why did I name it that? So this is the step. So if I step in it and then step it clean. Why did I name it like that? I hate myself. That's the wrong window. It's fine. Make. Oh. eh. There's there we go. So it's inbuilt into C. Yeah, I forgot to add like the functions themselves. Whoops. Range iter init. Range iter next. Range iter clean. Oh, it's free, not clean. I think. We'll see. Range len. In primitives C. ML. Oh, it's in headers. Headers. ML primitives H. Oh, makes sense. Oh, whoopsie daisy. It's ML primitives. Let's see. It's the start. There we go. Should be self. Oops. Almost there. I forgot to put. Oh, whoopsie daisy. Again. There we go. Step. Oh my goodness. It's make. I'm looking for the make. Finally. Okay. Range to iter. Oh, you still have that. What? There's nothing else I could. Oh. Uh-huh. 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 It's alive. There is like 100. It's alive. Whoops. It's alive. There's like 10,000 food. Yep, pellets. So if I decrease it to like 100, it's gonna be decent. It's a decent performance. So yeah. Peak FPS is still, yeah. It's smooth. Smooth enough. Yeah. But also can't see the specs. So yeah, the peak FPS is around 200. Delta is good. Position in the score, how many food pellets you've eaten, and then that's the player you can control around. So you can just whoosh, and yes, it works with Raylib. So uh there's like this. Oh yes, MiLa Raylib. What's that H? So this is like what I pass into like a script. So I wrote a script in Python. Yeah, I wrote a script in Python that takes all of these and converts them into and creates wrappers for this. So as you can see, that's an enum, and this is the oops, this is the final. So MiLa Raylib, MiLa wrap. See, so yeah, this is the wrappers, and if you go down, you'll see the enums actually get assigned there. Yeah, there's the functions. And then yeah, here's MiLa lib edit. There it is. So yeah, that's a lot. No, that's a lot. Yay, yay. So yeah, this draw texture rec, draw line, window. People will get, you will need to get used to this though. So the enum, yeah, stuff, but it works, and I can, oops, oh no, what? I don't think it will. Yeah, what? Oh, sad. CD. There we go. Make release. That should not be. So ls is a dash lh MiLa, and as you can see, it's awfully small for a programming language. It's that small. 248 kilobytes. That big of a language. I bet you that the background, the background, did it just, no, the background is much more bigger. My back, where's the, this background of Vladilina Melis is bigger. Where is it? Is it in BG? No, not here. Is it .bg ls dash a? I know that there's like a .bg. There it is. So ls dash lh. MiLa can fit into it multiple times. Oh, whoops. I pressed it twice. So if we go here, we see 2.9 times 1024. So that's how many bytes there is. So let's divide it by the size of MiLa, 248. You can fit MiLa 11 times in my wallpaper. This wallpaper. It's weird. It's funny. It's funny. Oops. Seller. So wow. What? So yeah, there's also like tools. I did create tools. Tools Syngen. Oops. Yeah. So this is for Vim. For by default, it does do Vim, and don't worry, those two first lines are dev null, so I can redirect it into dev null without anything crashing. So, or do the opposite. No, done, and it's literally just some tools Syngen. It's full MiLa. It's just MiLa. Yeah, and this is basically just saying that, hey, this is a parameter script. Expand the command line arguments like you would expand arguments to functions. So yeah, you can do this. So I can specify, for example, I want the JSON format, and it will give me every built-ins. So that's the reason why this exists, is for me to generate built-ins, the syntax files for the built-ins, and for the JSON one is just for I don't know, documentation, I guess. As you can see, there's 146 built-ins, but two of those are debugs. Yeah, debug functions. So this, so that doesn't count, but still exists. Oh yeah, and Sublime works too. Oh, what? Weird. Weird. That should have worked. Oh, forgot. I did ruin. Wait, no. That should have worked. Oh, right. Oh, that's that's the thing. That's why that's not release. Okay, so okay, now it does work. Weird. Weird. But yeah, you can do that. Or if you want to batch it into one function for each, sure. 5 um 10, that's the default. So yeah, and you can build MiLa with MiLa, just like build that MiLa here, which just does the same thing as the makefile. So you have that, and then prints debug info as well here. I mean, not debug info, but yeah. My resist builds kept when you click target is avoid locking yourself in. Next steps delete makefile and write MiLa. There is. So yeah, we have MiLa recent. So even if you do like this clean, you don't accidentally nuke your binaries. You still have this and this as well. So yeah, you need to do that. You can't really remove them unless you go not release dot recent. Yes, there you go. So yay, we have all of those. So now let's actually start showcasing MiLa. If there's anyone left, is there anyone? No. Yeah, no one is left. So features. So we have the weak references. Still have that in. Nope. Var A is equal to this. Var B is equal to A is equal to that. Then set A B B. That's circular reference. So as you can see, it's a circular reference. So if you forget A, then forget B. Segfaults, of course it does. Oh wait, it not. Let's do that again from scratch. Var B. Var B. That's a map, so that's A is equal to. I think I have to go. I think I have to go. Yeah, I think I have to go. Ooh. Where? Set A var. forget B. Forget A. A. E. There's no memory leaks. You have to. Are you kidding me? How about MiLa example cycles? You have to fix it over again. What? It's not here anymore. Oh, it's 5224. That is. No, it's not that either. It's did I like fix that? Yeah, we do. Yeah, so that's the old object. We do ID. We save the okay, and then we reset subpackage for should allocate size larger for new type. I will literally just overwrite it instead of freeing it individually. I mean, freeing it separately. So why do I keep saying it? So that because it's literally like 10 p.m. So, anyways, whoa, why is that? Oh, whoops. So instead of that, no. Wait, it's in file release. File release. So that instead of doing this, is it doing that? Oh, oops, we don't need that. Then wrong. What? Wait, no. Yes, 6E. Enter. There we go. There we go. F5 here because it doesn't refresh sometimes on its own. So anyways, we do that. Instead we go here, value star non, yeah, non temp, it's equal to v non mem set size of 0. Oh, okay, mem set 0 size of value. New object, new second address. Okay, so it's still the same thing. So anything referencing this address should now point to this, but we need to fix that. Sets realloc what memory sizing if your original location malloc was 0 the file. Okay, yeah. How do we put this into this? Am I stupid? I can just do this. Done, I think. Or is it it's an error, isn't it? Yay! Knew it. Change the type value from that. Yeah, figured it. What was it again? 2284. So what we need to do is to copy this bytes. Oh, what? So void destination, source, and insights. Okay. Uh-huh. Oops. Yeah. This is that. We put that outside. Oh, whoops. What the hell? Oh, no. 2248. I was close. 2248, wasn't it? 2284? Oh. I have to go soon. Yeah. It's there. Son of a gun. Fat size. Excuse me? Hmm. Oh. It is. Kasi hindi naman yun. Why doesn't it? Cause look at this. We have this. We wouldn't need to free this, because then every references to this would be their own non-instance, meaning that they would have exactly reference of one. Then if the object that they now belong to frees that object, then now it's, I don't know anymore. We'll see. So I guess Oh, it's because of the weak refs. No, they should be free. Oh, we need to keep track of if the owner was freed or not. No, this setup works. Yeah, it's literally no. I mean B, not. So it's literally none. So it works. It works. But if you switch it around, what happens is, oh my goodness, how do we even keep track of that? Oh. God damn it. God damn it. We need to keep a pointers of objects down. Ah, scheiße. That should work now. Different correct, yeah. Problem is, it still happens that way. Yes, the weak references, cycles are indeed gone, but now instead they're substituted. Fudging out. Oh my goodness. It's just, it's hell. All hell break loose. You know what? Who cares? Who cares? If you try to access a variable if you try to access a variable that was a weak reference, you get null. Yeah, that's cool. So see null. So now if we do this, what? Oh, I did not build.